Mike Hughes here. I'm at Underwater Kinetics, and I'm here with Fred. And you want to tell us a little bit about your new product?
Absolutely. What you're seeing here is the latest update of the Underwater Kinetics Aqualite. In the past, we've had two versions of the light, a narrow beam light as a dive light and one as a video light. With this new light, we include in the kit a lens, so you can change from either a 20 degree or a 100 degree lens, so you can have both video and dive light without having to buy an extra head or extra accessories.
And you do change that on land.
You can do it. You got to change it on land. The brightness has also gone up. We have 1,300 lumens coming out of the front of it now, and our older lights were maybe 700 on the dive light side. So now you've got a 1,300 lumen dive light. The battery had to become a little bit larger, so if you put your hand around it, you can feel it's a little bit larger. The battery is still a lithium-ion battery. It comes with a little charge cradle, so you can, which is USB powered.
Okay.
It charges in a couple hours to give this light. It's about an hour at full power.
Okay. And then, no, I was going to say, and then also, besides the light, you have some new mounts that you can put with it.
The nice thing is we can still use our old Aqualite accessories.
Okay.
Which include the hand mount. So you can slip this on your hand, run the strap around like so, and the light snaps into the front, so you can have it like this.
Right.
If you don't like it on the back of your hand, you can push it up on your wrist and have a wrist mount light. Also, for the photographers, we still have our as a kit the photo mount, as so you can put your GoPro, or we got a 1/4-20 adapter, so you can put whatever other camera you want on the side, and of course a hand grip on the side. So this is an accessory which retails for about $40.
Now in 2020, could go up in 2060.
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah.
And so we got the hand mount, the photo mount, and we've got a little kit which I don't have here for people that want to mount the light on their arm, on a photo arm, a ball mount.
But they can find that if they go to the uwkdive.com.
Yes.
Okay, that about wraps it up. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.